Hey guys, just got back from a nice 5-hour ride with a couple buddies. Liking my helmet here? Woo! You can't buy that style, as my buddy Tom said. So it's Valentine's Day and my wife just gave me a cool present. Yeah, I had no idea what it was either. It's a helmet hook, like for a display rack at a store or here in the garage. You mount it to the wall and then you hang the helmet on it. Let's see how it works. All mounted up. Real simple, comes with anchors and screws. You just hang it up. That is sweet. So I guess the only thing I have to be careful of is banging the wall, kind of touch it there. That's about it. It can hang a little more vertical. I'll have to get used to exactly the right angle to put it on and off of. Yeah, real vertical works just fine with a little gap there. That's nice. That is really ingenious. And she got me two so I can hang hers up too. All right, so there you go. I'm impressed. I'll put the link down below. They are cheap. She got them on Amazon. Super simple idea. You could hang your jacket or something with a hanger on the bottom too if you wanted to. It really saves me space, keeps the helmet off the desk there, and gets it off my bike. Chloe, stop barking. Normally I just set it on my seat there, but you know, you risk the accidental bump and falling off. That's not going anywhere. Cool. That's it, guys. See you next time.